everyone and welcome to my channel The Professor. So today we are going to type the 18th program, so let's get started. We all know that we have to first open the notepad. So we'll open it. Now we'll type the program. This is also about the unordered list, but in this program the new thing is about the unordered list type. Unordered list with type attribute. We'll start with HTML tag, head tag, title tag. We'll give title list and we'll end the title tag. Now head tag, we'll over the head tag. Now body tag. Now you will type, we'll give square. Type square. In this style the list item are marked with square. We'll give, you can give any random names. You can copy and paste it also. And change the name. Now we'll end the unordered list tag. Again we'll start it. Now we'll again end the unordered list tag. Now we'll give you unordered list type. We'll give circle in this one, which display the bulletin with circles. Highlighted. Unordered list. Now we'll end the body tag. And similarly HTML tag. Now we'll save it with the extension HTML and in all files. So now let us check the output. So here it comes. Square tag, circle tag,